My dear students, I hope you all are good and I bless you all to be healthy and stay safe at your home. Today I am here with the chapter Cell Structure and Function for class 9th. Today we are going to cover the topic what is cell and discovery of cell and the cell theory. So first of all we have to know about what is cell. I have written here what is cell actually. Okay. So might be you since your childhood you know about or your parents telling you about, your teachers taught you that cell is our basic unit. Cell is our all the living organisms, they are made up of cells. So now time is to come, we have to understand what about cell and what is cell actually is. Why it is said fundamental, structural and functional unit. So we have to know about cell. So we know that cells is all living organisms are made up of cells. And the another thing about cell is that every cell has its own life. And all organisms, they start their life with a single cell. Okay. So now we understand about the first point, that what is cell. It is the fundamental, structural and functional unit of all living organisms. So first we have to understand why do we call cell as a fundamental unit. Let us understand this first, why it is called fundamental. Like in your class, in your civics chapter, your teacher might be taught you about fundamental rights. So you know about what is your basic rights, that all human beings have to use their fundamental rights. The same thing is this about cell. So why do we call cell as a fundamental unit? So let us try with this example. You have seen many of building around you. And what you observe in building and what you have seen in building, what are there in the building? We have seen building, like this is a building, okay? This is the building. And in a building, what is there? Many floors, like first floor, second floor, third floor and so on. So in a building there is many floors, and in a floor many flats are there. In the flats there are many rooms, and in many rooms what do we find? Many walls. And how this wall is made up of? It is made up of brick. So that is why we can say the brick is the fundamental unit for this building. Okay, that means this is the basic need or basic unit for constructing a building. Okay, so this is about what is fundamental. Now let us try and understand with the example of human body. We can understand like this. What is human body? So human body is made up of different organ system. So what are the organ system? Like respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, reproductive system. These are different organs. And how these organ system are made up of? This all organ system is made up of the different organs. And how these organs, like an example, respiratory system, how it consists of? There are many organs that consist respiratory system, like lungs, like windpipe, trachea. These are the organs which make or combine with all organs combined and structure or make a organ system. And these organs are made up of tissues. All the organs are the group of similar tissues. ठीक है? So organs, they are made up of tissues. तो tissues किससे बना है? Tissues are made up of similar type of cells. So hence again we can say that cell is the fundamental unit for the human body. it means if you have you gone through the cellular organization of human body, so वहाँ पे सबसे smallest unit क्या होता है, और fundamental, that is cell. So that is why we can say cell is the fundamental unit for the living organism or for the body. So that's all for today. In my next video, I will tell you about structural and functional unit. Thank you.